Have you ever looked at wealthy people and wondered, how did they get there? Maybe you think they were born into money, had special connections, or just got lucky. But here's the truth. Most millionaires today didn't start with privilege. They started exactly where you are right now, with nothing but a dream, a plan, and relentless consistency. The good news is, wealth is not a secret reserved for the chosen few. It's a skill, a mindset, and a set of habits. And today, I'm going to share with you 7 proven ways to build wealth from scratch. These are not theories. These are principles that self-made millionaires and successful entrepreneurs have lived by. So if you're ready to take control of your future, let's dive in. 1. Master the art of saving and controlling expenses. Let's be honest, you can't build wealth if money is flowing out of your pocket faster than it comes in. The very first step to wealth is learning to manage what you already have. This doesn't mean living a miserable life or cutting out every little joy. It means becoming intentional with your money. Every rupee, every dollar has a purpose. The wealthy treat money like seeds. They don't eat all the seeds, they plant them. Think about Warren Buffett. Even though he's one of the richest men alive, he still lives in the same modest house he bought decades ago. Why? Because he knows wealth comes from discipline, not showing off. So start small, track your expenses, cut out what doesn't matter, and save at least 20% of your income. Even if your income is tiny today, the habit of saving will prepare you for the wealth you'll build tomorrow. 2. Increase your earning power. Saving is important, but you can't save your way to millions on a small income. The second step is to increase your earning power. This means developing valuable skills, investing in your education, and constantly improving yourself. Ask yourself, what skills are people willing to pay for? It could be digital marketing, coding, sales, public speaking, design, or even problem solving in your current field. The more valuable your skills, the more money you can command. Take the story of Howard Schultz, the man behind Starbucks. He started with nothing, worked his way up, and transformed a small coffee chain into a global empire. How? By constantly improving his vision, his leadership, and his skills. Remember this, money follows value. The more value you provide to the world, the more wealth you'll attract. 3. Create multiple streams of income. One source of income is too risky. If you rely only on your salary, you're just one job loss away from financial struggle. The wealthy understand this, which is why they build multiple streams of income. Start with your main job, but don't stop there. Can you freelance on the side? Can you invest in dividend stocks? Can you start a small online business? Even small streams, when combined, create a river of wealth. For example, look at Elon Musk. He didn't just stop at PayPal. He moved on to Tesla, then SpaceX, then multiple other ventures. Each stream fed into the other. You don't need to build the next Tesla. Just start with one additional stream today, and you'll already be miles ahead of the average person. 4. Invest early and consistently. This is the game changer. Saving money is good, but investing money is where wealth multiplies. When you invest, your money starts working for you, even while you sleep. The principle is simple: compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world. Imagine you invest $500 today, and it grows 10% every year. In 30 years, that small $500 could be worth nearly $9,000. Now imagine doing this consistently every month. The numbers become life-changing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Don't wait until you're rich to invest. Start with whatever you can afford right now, in stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or even your own business. The wealthy don't keep their money in banks. They put it in assets that grow. You should too. 5. Live below your means but think big. This might sound contradictory, but it's a powerful balance. Living below your means doesn't mean you think small. It means you're disciplined today so you can dream big tomorrow. Let me give you an example. Sam Walton, the founder of Walmart, drove an old pickup truck even after becoming a billionaire. Why? Because his wealth wasn't for impressing others. It was for creating something lasting. When you cut unnecessary expenses, you free up money to invest, to grow, and to build. But at the same time, you must dream big. Think about what kind of life, business, and impact you want to create. This mindset of humility and vision together is what builds real, lasting wealth. 6. Surround yourself with the right people. Building wealth is not just about money, it's about mindset. And your environment shapes your mindset more than you realize. If you're surrounded by people who complain, who make excuses, who waste money and time, guess what? You'll become like them. But if you surround yourself with people who think big, who work hard, who push you to grow, you'll rise to their level. Think about it. Most successful entrepreneurs and investors didn't do it alone. They built networks, found mentors, and learned from people who were ahead of them. So ask yourself today, who are you spending time with? Are they pulling you down or lifting you up? If you want to build wealth, you need to build the right circle. 7. Stay consistent and play the long game. This is where most people fail. They start strong, but when results don't come immediately, they quit. But wealth is not built in a week or even a year. It's built over decades of consistent action. Look at Jeff Bezos. Amazon started in a garage selling books online. For years, it wasn't profitable. People doubted him, laughed at him, but he stayed consistent. Today, Amazon is one of the biggest companies in the world. Your journey will be the same. You'll face setbacks, doubts, failures. But if you stay consistent, keep learning, and keep moving, wealth will eventually catch up with you. The secret is not speed, it's persistence. Motivational closing. Now you know the 7 proven ways to build wealth from scratch. None of them require luck, magic, or a silver spoon. They require discipline, courage, and consistency. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these steps and start today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Maybe it's tracking your expenses. Maybe it's learning a new skill. Maybe it's opening your first investment account. Remember this. Wealth is not built in one big leap. It's built in small, daily steps that compound over time. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to begin. The world is full of opportunities, and you have everything inside you to create a life of abundance and freedom. Don't let excuses hold you back. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Your journey to wealth starts now, with the choices you make today. Believe in yourself, stay disciplined, and keep moving forward. Because if others can build wealth from nothing, so can you.